Hey everybody, it's Matt, the Budget Backpacker, and today I'm going to walk you through the gear that I'll be taking on my upcoming trip to the Annapurna Base Camp in Nepal. So we're about 2 days away now. It is St. Patrick's Day today, and I figured this would be a great time just to take you through my gear, so let's do it. I've got an Osprey 60-liter backpack with a zip-off day pack. We have about 6 pairs of socks that go in that little bag. We got 2 polo shirts and 2 t-shirts, 5 pair of underwear, 2 pairs of shorts, because it's actually kind of warm in Kathmandu right now. And this stuff is for more sleeping in high altitude. It's just kind of long johns and kind of like yoga type sport pants. All that stuff goes into here, into this Eagle Creek cube. Taking some tennis shoes with me in case I get blisters and just need to switch up my footwear. Here's my trusty sleeping bag, my Mountain Hardwear sleeping bag. This box has all of my drone equipment and my camera equipment that I'll be taking to vlog the journey. I got my iPad there for reading. And as we come around to this side over here, got a bunch of knickknacks that go in this bag. We have also a dry bag here for other things such as hand warmers, electrical things, and plugs. We got my cocoon sleep sack, so that's good to have in between your sleeping bag and the mattress that you're sleeping on, just to stay extra clean. We have our water purification system here. This is a hand pump. It is rated for extreme situations. Also taking potable water tablets. We'll probably buy more of those when we get to Kathmandu or Pokhara. Got my in-room kind of light lamp, excuse me, that just kind of pops down like that. Got a thermal Mylar sleeping bag just in case. Actually, it's more of just a tarp. Got some extra face masks. This is a silk grocery bag. We got a inflatable neck rest, sunglasses, compass. This is a battery bank that's solar powered, headlamp, which is very important, lighter, lock, extra point and shoot camera, and this little teacup heater, which I thought was kind of neat. So I'm going to take those along with me. Can't wait to go. It's about a day and a half away, and it's been building for a while. I'll take you along the way. I'll show you every step I go, and all the new things that we discover you'll see here on this video and the other ones that will follow. So hope everybody stays tuned. If you like the video, please go down below and click subscribe, smash the bell, or leave a comment. But it's going to be an exciting journey. This is just video 1 of many.